Okay, now with the last questions in the quiz number 4 is about binomial theorem, asking about what is the 2x minus 3y squared to the power of 4. So what will be the form of this equation if we try to expand the structures. And then if I remember, only few students able to answer almost but not yet correct, and I can spot where is the mistake. So here I'm going to do it very slow, and so that you can follow how actually it is. But yet in the class we already discussed about a plus b to the power of n. In this case we use the binomial theorem, which case start with 0 to the n, and then combination nk, and then a n minus k with b to the power of k. So the same things actually we just need to apply it in this problem. But I'm not sure also still why most still not able to solve this problem. And then as the fact, the result, last week quiz, only few students managed to answer almost completely correct, but not yet. So here we will start to answer these questions. So before that, I would like to let you know first how this form we can transfer still using a plus b instead. Okay, so I'm going to say that this actually 2x as the a, and then as the b will be minus 3y squared, like that. And who is our n? Our n as per the formula here, who is our n? So n will be equal to 4. Okay, so with this, if we put according to the formula binomial theorem, it will be easily also you can do in such a way. Okay, so I will start with, so 2x minus 3y squared to the power of 4 is just the same like k start with 0 to 4, combination combination should be combination 4k, and then 2x to the power of 4 minus k times minus 3y squared to the power of k in here. So this is exactly how it is. Okay, so we will start with k0. So with k0 we will get combination 40, and then 2x to the power of 4 minus 0 times minus 3y squared to the power of 0. Clear? Plus, now k equal to 1, so for 1, combination for 1, 2x 4 minus 1, and then minus 3y squared to the power of 1. Clear? Then we start with k equal to 2, so combination for 2, and then 2x to the power of 4 minus 2, and then times minus 3y squared to the power of 2. Okay, and then plus I don't think it's enough, I'm going to continue to the bottom, plus combination for 3 now, k equal to 3, and then 2x 4 minus 3, and then minus 3y squared to the power of 3 now. Okay, plus k3 already. The next one is k equal to 4, so combination for 4, and then 2x to the power of 4 minus 4, and then minus 3y squared to the power of 4. Okay, so done. Now we need to calculate. So we will start with the first one, combination 40. So combination, we start with the first one here. Okay, we start this term first. So combination 40, you know it is combination 40 must be 1. You can check with calculator. And then 2x to the power of 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, the next one is minus 3y here to the power of 0. This will be equal to 1. Anything powered by 0 equal to 1. So I will put 1 in here. Still, I will just put 1 in there so that you know exactly one by one all the numbers. Okay, plus then we start the next one here, the second terms, combination for 1. Combination for 1, if you check, definitely will be 4. And then to the x, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3. And then times with here minus 3y squared to the power of 1. Anything powered by 1, you will get the same number. So I will just write down minus 3y squared. Done for the second term. For the third term in here, so what we get? Combination for 2. Combination for 2, if you check with your calculator, will be 6. And then times 2x, 4 minus 2, power 4 minus 2 here, so that will be 2. And then the next one will be minus 3. So I will highlight here minus 3 first. Minus 3 to the power of 2. Let me write down minus 3 to the power of 2. Okay, times, I will separate because it's now not 1 anymore, so I will just put it one by one so that you can see where the number goes. Y to the power of 2, power 2 again. Okay, you got this, yeah. Remember exponential rules. A, b to the power of m, then you will get what? A to the power of m times b to the power of m. This is what happens now. So minus 3 to the power of 2 and y squared to the power of 2 power 2, because y itself already square in the bracket. Okay, so we'll continue to the next terms. Next term plus here the fourth term in here, combination for 3. So combination for 3, if you check, that will be 4 3 will be, yeah, see, I forgot. Combination for 3, 4 factorial, 4 minus 3 factorial, and then 3 factorial. So that will be 4. Okay, this will be 4. So 4 times 2x, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 will be 1. And then minus 3 to the power of 3, again using this formula, and then y squared to the power of 3. So that is done for the fourth term. Now next, plus last term over here. The last one will be combination for 4. Combination for 4 will be 1. And then 2x to the power of 4 minus 4 will be 0 times next minus 3 to the power of 4 times y squared to the power of 4. So it's done. Okay, done the factorization, yet the calculation not yet. So we'll continue next. So here 1 is equal to 1. Now is 2 to the power of 4, again using this formula. So 2 to the power of 4, I know it's 16. So I will just put note here, this number came from 2 to the power of 4, so you can refer later on. And then continue x to the power of 4. So done for the first terms over here. Plus, over here we get 4 times. Here 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times x to the power of 3. Okay, times minus 3 times y square. Okay, so we get many numbers here, not yet settled. We will look later on again. Plus, now is 6. And then 2 to the power of 2 here. 2 to the power of 2 here. So we get 4. 2 to the power of 2. We get 4. Okay. Okay. And then x again. X to the power of 2. Okay. And then minus 3 to the power of 2. Minus 3 to the power of 2. So meaning minus 3 times minus 3. Minus minus become positive. 3 times 3, 9. So we got 9. And then y square here. Y square to the power of 2 again here. So it's become what? What rules of exponential here? Now, if you forgot a to the power of m to the power of n, the result will be a m times n. This is exponential. So when we have this, I will highlight. So we get what? We will get become y to the power of 2 times 2. It's become 4 now. Okay, so not adding, yeah, times. Plus, so next, this is the terms now. Yeah, this one done, this one done. So the fourth one now here. So we have 4, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, and then x. And then minus 3 to the power of 3. So meaning what? Minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. Okay, hold on. 3 times 3 times 3, we got 27. But minus time minus positive, time minus again become negative again. Be careful with your calculation. Okay, and then y to the power of here, to the power of 2 to the power of 3 again. So it's become 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus, so the last one here, I will put over here, yeah, at the end so that it will see. So 1 here doesn't have any problem, it will still 1, and then I will highlight. So 1 here will be, 1 here will be keep 1. 2x to the power of 0, that will be 1 again. So I'm not going to write down. Okay, so 1 here at the beginning, and then 1 here also, because to the power of 0. Now left with what? Minus 3 to the power of 4. So minus 3 to the power of 4. So I will write down calculation here. Minus 3, where, yeah, here. So I will just add here. Okay, I will just add here. So minus 3 again. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that will be 81. Minus time minus positive, time minus negative again, time minus again become positive again. So 81 is positive. And then y, what power now? Y, oops, hold on. Y to the power of 2 to the power of 4. This is where I see many students get wrong in here. Okay, you put 6, instead it should be 8, 2 times 4. But many students put it as 6 in there. Okay, so it should be y to the power of 4, not 6, yeah. Okay, so complete now. Just need to settle again, few more steps. Also, I found out there is a student leave the number as it is only 4 times 8, and then here still the number. You need to multiply all these number and get the total or the final number. Some student, if I'm not mistaken, Osama also do the same. You leave it the number 6 times 4 times 9 like this. Cannot. You have to finish all the calculation. Okay, so let's do. So over here we will get already final 16x4, and then plus over here 4 times 8 times minus 3. So 4 times 8 times minus 3. Let me open my calculator first. So I will highlight 4 times 8 times minus 3. So 4 times 8 times minus 3, I will get minus 69. So, oops, sorry, I will get minus 69 with x3 and then y square plus, next I have 649. So 649, I will get 6 times 4 times 9, I will get 216. So 216 with x square y 4. Okay, plus next one I will have 4 to minus 27. So 4 2 and minus 27, I will get 216, but negative, yeah, because minus 27, so negative 216. And then x y 6, and then plus last is this term, which is 81 y 8. Okay, so almost done, but we need to settle this and this. Okay, so if we write final terms, 16x4 plus minus become minus 96 x3 y square, and then plus 216 x square y 4 plus minus become minus 216 x y 6 plus 81 y 8. So this is it, the 2x minus 3y to the power of 4. Got it? Okay, so this is the final answer. So you follow, if not, redo one more time and then get each of the details where the numbers come from. Okay, so that's all for all the quiz last week, number 1 2 3 4. So next we are going to start the new chapter, function and relation.